Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means whatever you produce or perform, it should be done in a perfect way. Although, effectiveness has a broader approach, which means the extent to which the actual results have been achieved to fulfill the desired outcome by doing accurate things. Efficiency and effectiveness are the metric used to gauge the performance of an employee in an organization. So, let's look into the basic differences between efficiency and effectiveness in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The ability to produce maximum output with limited resources is known as efficiency, whereas the level of the nearness of the actual result with planned result is effectiveness. Number 2. Efficiency is to do the things perfect, which means work is to be done in a correct manner, whereas effectiveness is to do perfect things, which means doing accurate work. Number 3. Efficiency is the outcome of actual output upon given the number of inputs. On the other hand, effectiveness has a relationship with means and ends. Number 4. Efficiency has a short-run perspective. Conversely, the long run is the point of view of effectiveness. Number 5. Efficiency has an introverted approach, whereas effectiveness has an extroverted approach. Number 6. Efficiency is to be maintained at the time of strategy implementation, whereas strategy formulation requires effectiveness. And difference number 7. Efficiency is measured in operations of the organization, whereas effectiveness of strategies is measured which are made by the organization. Efficiency and effectiveness both have a prominent place in the business environment which must be maintained by the organization because its success lies on them.